Hello and welcome everyone. We have a wonderful chess puzzle here, a queen endgame versus two passed pawns. White have only one staircase idea in order to win this. I'm telling you the idea, it is about a staircase. But how do you win here with white? If you can solve this puzzle, pause the video and try to find the best move for white here. Welcome back. So every move here really matters for white in order to win this, because black is going to promote the queen in one move. So if you tried, for example, queen check from h3 or from h1, he will play his king to f2. If you played, for example, your queen check from here, so he don't go to e1, or you try to take more spaces with your queen, he will just play king f1 and he wants to promote the queen. And if you moved your king here, you just promote with check and it will turn to a draw. And right now you don't have any move with white. And the problem that the black pawn is here is also that you can't play your queen to f3 here, and this one is a draw. If you try to play your queen to h1 instead, the same idea that he will go to f2 and want to promote the queen right away. And you don't have anything here with white, because you can't play your queen check from f3. And if you try to move the king first, it won't matter which place, he will just promote the queen right away and it will turn to a draw. So the only way here for white to win is a staircase idea. How do you do the staircase? You play your queen to b5, pinning this pawn with king, so he can't promote the queen right away. He need to move his king. If he moved it here, that's an easy win. You will just move your king to e3, because now his king blocked his pawn and he must move his king again, and it will be just checkmate in just 2 or 3 moves. So instead, to move to king e1, he must play his king to f2. Again, king f2 is crucial for black, and he wants, because he don't want to block himself and to want to promote the queen. Now if you just try to pin it again, you didn't create anything, because he will just move his king to f1 and he wants to promote the queen right away. So instead of that, you just do different move. You play your queen check from c5. He must be close to his king to f1. Again, not king e1. Now the staircase. Play your queen to c4. The queen was in b5, like you went to b5. Then check from here. Then you played your queen to c4, pinning his pawn. Again, he must go to king f2. But here, the problem, you can't do a staircase again. Like, you can still play your queen check, but a faster move, just to play queen c2 right away. He must play his king to f1 to promote the queen. Now you can't play your queen to d3. You have only one wonderful move here for white. And the move is, you just take the pawn with your king. This pawn. But he's going to promote the queen with check. So what? Again, you have a wonderful move here and black in a zigzag. The only move, king f3. Now black don't really have any move. He can't move his king. He will be checkmated. He can't move his queen. Like, he can't do any check. He can't check from here. If he moved it to a1, still checkmate from f2. He moved it away. Still a checkmate from f2. If you enjoyed this puzzle, like the video and subscribe, and thank you for watching.